When you buy a report for a project from PT, you're getting an object that starts its life way before even the testing is done. The creative teams are at the kickoff with the engineering and testing teams, talking about what the project is going to look like, talking about the stories that we're hoping to tell. That team will then begin to develop the reports that you're eventually going to see. First step in that is frequently to do concepts. They might include where we think the wins will be, what they might be. They might include some introductory text. They might just be design elements. Then, as the process of testing is going on, the process of report development is going on too. As people start getting access to the results, seeing how the story is changing or staying the same, and begin to develop different pieces of the report. And so a team of people, writers, graphics designers, are working on this all in parallel with the testing. And then eventually there's a draft of the report, and we will send that to you. We'll then enter this period of give and take. We'll collect feedback from you and iterate until we're both really happy with the report. The report has to engage people. It then has to reward their attention by giving them things that are valuable and ultimately empower them to make purchase decisions, which we all hope are purchasing your product. This is a very targeted piece of communication. We want it to be the right size. Some reports need to be fairly long, but most reports succeed best when they're like 4 to 6, maybe 8 pages tops, heavily illustrated, easy to see. Audiences want different levels of information, so sometimes we do very in-depth text-heavy reports. That all depends on what you want. When we put our logo on a report, we're putting the weight of PT behind it and saying, we proved these results. That gives you a trusted third party taking responsibility for having done it and offering the proof of our science behind the report of just how we did it so that people don't have to trust, they can just verify. The big advantage of having our brand on it is that it is third-party proof. It is not just your organization saying it, it is somebody else saying it, and it is not just saying trust us, but rather here's the recipe so you can verify it.